My name is Hannah Kuehnl, and I'm the HR Director with Veriha. So a little bit about me, I went to UW-Madison where I got my bachelor's degree in sociology, and after leaving college I actually worked in the insurance industry for a couple of years before transitioning into HR. So I have over 10 years of experience in HR in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, public school system, and now most recently transportation. The favorite thing about my job is really just all of the connections that I get to build with all of our amazing employees, and really being able to drive strategy while also considering not only business impacts, but then also working on the human side of things and making sure that we obviously have a really great workforce and a great place to work. I would say one of the biggest misconceptions about me is sometimes HR can get a rap for being very serious and very business oriented all the time. And I think one of the misconceptions is that we actually have a lot of fun in the work that we do, building the connections, building the positive, engaging culture, and really being a part of that. My favorite fundamental is be curious. And I say that because I think if we can approach situations being curious, really seeking to understand each other, it not only helps us from a process perspective, but I think it also helps us build better relationships, understanding, and care for one another. One of my favorite things to do outside of work is really anything outdoors. Love to go hiking. We're big boaters during the summertime, so you'll probably see us out on a body of water, and really also playing volleyball. One of our fun things that we get to do not only all summer long, but then I also do some winter leagues as well. A fun fact about me, I actually play music and I gig on the side, so if you are ever around northeastern Wisconsin throughout the summer and winter months, you might catch me out playing guitar and singing. Ooh, if I could only eat one food for the rest of my life, I think I would have to choose mac and cheese. I would take either plain mac and cheese or put it with pulled pork, with lobster, you name it, anything mac and cheese. If I had one superpower, I think I would choose to be able to snap my fingers and be in any place, anytime. One thing that you should know about me is I look for respect in a lot of different areas of my life. I like to give respect, and I also like respect back, so that's one of my core values as a contributor. Respect to me really means coming to a conversation open, assuming positive intent, really being willing to learn and listen and hear one another, and really being willing to engage in that dialogue. For me, being on Veriha's leadership team really means a lot. I've been with the company now for almost a year and really have appreciated the work that we're doing collaboratively and the environment that we get to do that in. And I think as we make positive strides as a company, really investing in our people and making sure that that's at the forefront of everything that we're doing.